too late. I can't forget you. When I'm down inside of me, so close.
YouTubers, shop here. I'm gonna do something pretty cool today for Twisted Star Racing. Just looking for more deck parts, and I forgot I had a more deck that had these special plates that we were looking for. Well, I forgot my spare deck had them. And brought to you by dewalt. Where's Addison at? Addie, where you at? Good. Stay right there. I gotta make sure this is reverse. Yep. Needs to be deeper.
Now do it. Ouch.
Yeah.
Hang on. There. Now do it. Okay.
Check that out. New power tool to my channel. Now, just one. We got two of these impacts. Damn, look how nice that is. Addison.
Probably the same way.
Okay. There's one.
Hold that.
Oh, that one don't have one on that side.
Hang on. Okay, now go for it. Okay.
Nope.
Okay, hang on. Okay, now do it. Go for it. There you go. That's a hillbilly way, but it works.
Yeah.
Okay. There's two more down there, I bet.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, there's one there. Okay, let me slide this. Are they long ones?
Yep. There's only one anyway.
Okay.
The little spider webs. Don't hold the camera.
There's a. Oh, I looked at. Okay, go for it. Yeah, okay, stop.
Okay. Yeah, we are back.
There you go. Okay.
Here, it's stuck in there.
Fine. Ouch.
I got it now.
Got it. This has got to be slid back.
Okay. Ready for the big moment?
Let's see if they fit. Yep.
Ta-da! All we gotta do is paint them up.
Sandblast them, paint them up.
There you go, let's go start racing. Our next shop helped you out.
Does it fit?
Yep, it fits.
Okay.
Okay, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this
These
video.
ones here are different. We tried them.
Oh yeah, they're for a...
These are for a quick attach and they're way different.
Yeah.
So, see, these ones for a quick attach. Yeah, ones we have, but they won't fit.
Yeah, here's one impact right here, and then here's my 1/4 inch impact for more series. I thought it said 1/2 inch.
Oh, did you? Okay. Okay, I thought you said 1/4 inch. Oh, well, it doesn't matter. You got it.
I think. I mean, it is a 3, I don't know, but it's 1/2 inch drive. And it works. It's got a little light too as well. And I already used it. Broke off one of my lug nuts. Came right off, put it right back on. It's all awesome. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. What?
Oh, you want to see if it'll take one of the lug nuts off on the truck or not?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Where's the original at? Oh, it is.
The good friend of mine who I got it off of said that he paid like around $300 for that. It's right there. And I basically got it. Traded some stuff for it, and I got it. And if he's watching this video, Dustin, thank you.
Yeah, that's funny. He watches all of our videos.
I know. That's why I'm gonna give him a big old shout out too.
And Harold's gonna start watching the video too.
Really? Yeah. That's gonna be awesome.
Let's go over here.
What?
I don't fucking believe that. That's nice.
That was quick.
Uh-huh.
That was a sport.
I don't want to tie.
Wow.
Look at that. That's crazy. And that was torqued down 100 foot-pounds.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wow.
I don't want to tie.
Okay, that's it.
I am really impressed with that.
Well, I don't want to tie.
Okay, here.
That's nice.
My baby is right here.
I wish we had that thing a long time ago.
Besides her. She's my favorite one. Huh?
Hi.
Sometimes you can be a spoiled
I
pain
need
in my
to.
butt.
Yep.
Oh. That's okay.
I love it. Well, thanks for watching.
You know what's gonna be so much nice?
What?
With this now? That tool we made, you know how we always had to use a rakes?
Oh, for the freaking clutches.
Yes. That's gonna be so much easier. Yeah, that's a pulling spring. We should have had that a long time ago because all we had to do is brr.
Yeah, no kidding. Oh my god, it's gonna make it so much easier. Just go like that, just go drip, done. Hell yeah. Well, thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.